YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama. And so, if you watched my haul previous to this, it is like a huge Dollar General. It's actually the most I believe I've ever spent at Dollar General in one haul. It was like $100. So the other one had like all my clearance stuff that I got and stuff for my home. And I decided to make a second video because I also got stuff for 2 giveaways. So I am going to do, actually I have so many giveaways, but these 2 giveaways I'm going to do once I hit 200, which I think I'm at when I hit 300. Right now I'm at 292. But these, and so I'm hoping I can get 8 by Christmas or before Christmas so that these don't go to waste. I hope. Anyways, so this is like all of their baking stuff that they have. I think it's called the Baked with Love section. I think it's a Dollar General brand. Anyways, it was all like on clearance and then additional 50% off. I don't know if it was meant to be like that. Like they had to override everything, but I'm just glad that whoever was working that day because I got a lot. So I'm going to show you what I got me, and then I'm going to show you what I got for 2 giveaways for when I do reach 300. And for those of you who have gotten stuff from me and know it takes me forever to mail it out, these things that are going into the giveaways are going into a bag the second I finish this haul, and I will just address them and mail them as soon as it's over, like as soon as the winners are announced, because I am horrible at getting to mail things. Anyway, so this is for me. This says $4.50. I did pay $2.25. Again, everything was half off. This is the silicone baking pan. It's non-stick, but I'm not going to use it for baking. I love to do the chocolates, and I did order, oh my gosh, you guys, like, first of all, I can't even tell you the amount of packages that's going to come in. So again, if you watched my previous haul, it will say like there's not a lot out here where I live, and to go into town, I guess it's not a whole lot, but it takes a lot out of me. So I have done, and I haven't been able to sleep lately, and so when I can't sleep, I shop online, and oh my gosh, the amount of stuff I have coming in is insane. Like, I'm hoping I get to it before my husband sees it. Anyways, but I did buy the balls for the hot cocoa bombs, but then I was looking at these and I was like, I bet I could do these and just make them a different shape and make something cute out of them. So I am going to do this. So this was $2.25, microwave safe. There's 6 of them, so it'll make like 3 bombs. This is also for me, it was $1.50. This is all by Baked with Love, if I forget to tell you. This is 1 cookie press with 10 shape discs. I love it. Look at all the discs they have right there. And then back here, it shows you what they make. I've seen this a lot. I just never bought it because it's not usually like $3. It's usually a lot more. And I'm like, I'm not paying that. There is 11 pieces in here, so I was very excited. So again, those 2 are for me. This right here, okay, hold on. I'm sorry. So I'm trying to see here. I might not be able to go for what's me and what's for you guys. Okay, so let's just go. Let me show you one of the giveaways. So this one is, okay, I think this is all. You guys know I'm not very organized all the time. So this one right here is more like a fondant kind of giveaway. So I found this. It's an icing and fondant smoother. It was $2.10, so I paid $1.05 for it. I have used these before. I do love them. I just do not bake enough to even keep this in my house. I mean, I bake a lot. I don't use things like this enough to keep it in my house. This is 10.7 inches. It's a straight spatula with a stainless steel blade. It was $2.70, so I paid like $1.35 or something. Very cute. So I liked that. So this will also go in the giveaway. This was a fondant rolling pin, 9 inches, roll out and smooth fondant, $2.25. So I did pay $1.05, I believe. And on the back, it gives you some tips and tricks. So I thought that was really cute. And then this one I just noticed is coming out the top, but it's not open. This is, oh, there's a little tear right there. Sorry, guys. This is 6 pieces, again, by Baked with Love, assorted fondant tools, $165, $80, $160, so it was like 82 cents or something like that. Anyways, look at all the little fondant tools right there. Again, you can like YouTube how to use them. There's more tips and tricks back here. So these ones, I believe that this is one of the giveaways, if not more items in there. I'll probably throw a couple more things, but so this is one of them, is the fondant kind of one. Okay, so then the next one is going to be like the candy molds. I have these and I love them. So this one right here, again, I do not use them. I just like melt chocolate. You can literally melt any kind of chocolate in the microwave with a little bit of vegetable oil, 30 seconds stir. I always do it in like a ceramic dish so that it keeps the hot, because if you do it in a plastic dish, it doesn't keep the hot long enough, so the chocolate starts to get crumbly and yuck first. So anyways, I got this right here. It has all these little squares. Again, I do have this and I love it. I put some chocolate in here and then I just stuck some almonds in there and made my kids some like Hershey's nuggets with almonds kind of things. You can do them any color you want. So I got that one. And then I did get this one with the hearts. Also, I have this one and I love it. And if you look, like, it has a little dimple in the heart. Very cute. And again, these are so easy to get out, you guys. Like, I will literally put it in here, put it in my fridge like this, pop them out, eat them. Like, I've never had a problem getting them out of these. So with that, I also got this right here, the mini squeeze bottles, 4 ounces each. It says $1.50, so I paid 75 cents. Because if you look right here, I figured that you could put like the chocolate or whatever in here and make designs on here. So that's part of the giveaway. And then the 2 of the wafers. So this is the white melting wafers and the light cocoa melting wafers. And each are 7 ounces and I paid like 90 cents or something for each of them. So I got these 2. And again, they have the instructions on the back on how to do it. And I'm just looking to make sure. So this is, oh my gosh, maybe I do have 3. I don't know. So this is the second giveaway. So I think maybe I do have 3. I cannot even remember. So I'm sure I have 3. This is another thing that I got, the all-purpose decorating kit, $4.50. So that is $2.25. It is 6 icing bags and 3 tips. So if you look right there is the tips, and then the back shows you how to do it. I used to do a lot of cake decorating and I had a huge, very expensive kit and I just stopped. My hands are very shaky a lot, not because of all the caffeine I drink. It just, I have a hard time. And so this is 10 pieces. So that's one thing. Then I did get 3 of these. So I believe that I meant for these to go into the giveaways. Like I said, I'm just going to throw stuff in there too. So I got 3 of these and they're red because it's Christmas time, right? So these say $1.20. I paid 60 cents for each of these and they are the buttercream decorating icing. So they are like the stuff that's going to get hard and that you don't have to worry about stacking like other cookies. So it's quick and easy to use, 4 ounces. And so because it does, because it is like the same brand as this, these tips will screw right onto here. So you don't even have to worry about that. So that's pretty awesome. I did also get some decorating gel, green and red. Why? Because Christmas is coming, guys. $1.50, so I paid 75 cents each. These are 1.5 ounces. Again, I don't think that these were all supposed to be like that because I cannot believe how cheap they were. I did get these for me just because I need to do some more baking. So I got 2 more of these because they were only like 90 cents. So 7 ounces of the white melting wafers. Yeah, I love baking and doing stuff like that. And then this I got for the giveaway also. I don't know if it was 60 cents. I think I paid like 10 cents. I don't even know, 30 cents. I don't know. So it has 3 little molds. The cookie cutters, they are not Christmas related at all, but I thought, oh, I'll just throw them into a thing. So those are my giveaways. Yeah, so we have the fondant, like I said, the fondant giveaway. And the like candy mold giveaway. Yes, guys, like, and then like I said, I'm gonna throw some of this other stuff in there because we just had a yard sale, and if I bring more of this in here, my husband's going to kill me. So let's hurry up and get to that 300, guys, so this can get out of my house so that my husband never knows it was here. So I hope everyone has a great day, and when we've reached 300, I will tell you guys how we are going to do the giveaway. Have a great day, guys. Bye.